Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2018 VW Golf SE Nav. This car comes with the brilliant 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, producing 128 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 44 miles per gallon. The insurance group is 15 and this is a one owner vehicle having covered just over 41,000 miles and comes with service history from Volkswagen. This particular colour is the Metallic Atlantic Blue and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. There's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features like I mentioned. The car also has air conditioning, as well as automatic headlights and wipers, active cruise control there on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. And finally, on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror controls there and your 4 window switches. For a hatchback, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts and rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre. And it's good to see the car's got the floor mat still from Volkswagen. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot with the adjustable floor, and it's good to see someone's got the genuine VW floor protector mat there as well. You also have the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you also have a space saver wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 16-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you would like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.